Mushroom farming made easy, step-by-step guide to big profits. Did you know that mushroom farming is one of the easiest ways to turn a small investment into massive profits from the comfort of your own home? Whether you're dreaming of supplying gourmet restaurants or selling to health-conscious consumers, this booming industry could be your ticket to financial freedom. Stay with me, because today I'll reveal the step-by-step secrets to starting a successful mushroom farming business, even if you're a total beginner. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guides. Step 1. Research and planning. Why it's important. Understanding the mushroom market and the farming process is crucial to avoid costly mistakes. 1. Identify mushroom types. Commonly grown varieties include button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms. Each has different growth requirements and market demand. 2. Analyze the market. Research local demand and prices. Check whether there are restaurants, grocery stores, or farmers markets nearby that might buy your mushrooms. 3. Plan your budget. Factor in costs for substrate materials, spawn, labor, equipment, and marketing. Start small to minimize risks. Step 2. Choose a location. Why it's important. Mushrooms thrive in specific environments with controlled light, temperature, and humidity. 1. Pick a space. You can use a spare room, basement, shed, or a small-scale greenhouse. Ensure it's easy to clean and has proper ventilation. 2. Maintain conditions. Most mushrooms need temperatures between 16 to 24 degrees Celsius, 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and high humidity of around 80 to 90%. Step 3. Select and prepare substrate. Why it's important. Substrate is the material on which mushrooms grow, providing them with the necessary nutrients. 1. Common substrates, wheat straw, sawdust, coffee grounds, or compost. 2. Sterilize the substrate, heat or steam it to eliminate bacteria and competing fungi. This ensures your mushroom spawn will grow without contamination. Step 4. Source quality spawn. Why it's important. Spawn is the seed for mushrooms. The quality of your spawn directly impacts the yield. 1. Purchase spawn from reputable suppliers. For beginners, oyster mushroom spawn is recommended because it grows quickly and easily. Step 5. Inoculation. Why it's important. This is where the mushroom growing process truly begins. 1. Mix the spawn with the substrate in sterile conditions to avoid contamination. 2. Place the mixture into grow bags, containers, or trays and seal them. Step 6. Incubation. Why it's important. During this stage, the spawn colonizes the substrate. 1. Keep the bags or containers in a dark, warm place, around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 3 weeks. 2. Check for white mycelium growth. This indicates healthy colonization. Step 7. Fruiting stage. Why it's important. This is when mushrooms begin to grow and are ready for harvest. 1. Transfer the containers to a fruiting chamber or a well-ventilated area. 2. Provide indirect light, maintain high humidity, 90%, and drop the temperature slightly to around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. 3. Mist the area with water to maintain humidity, but avoid overwatering. Step 8. Harvesting. Why it's important. Timely harvesting ensures the best quality mushrooms. 1. Harvest mushrooms when the caps are fully opened but before the gills darken. 2. Gently twist and pull them out to avoid damaging the mycelium. Step 9. Packaging and selling. Why it's important. Proper packaging and marketing maximize your profits. 1. Use breathable containers or paper bags to package mushrooms to keep them fresh. 2. Market to local grocery stores, restaurants, or online platforms. You can also sell at farmers markets or create a subscription service for weekly deliveries. Step 10. Scaling up. Why it's important. Expanding your business increases your income potential. 1. Experiment with new varieties or grow in bulk to supply larger markets. 2. Invest in automation, like humidity controllers or shelving systems, to boost efficiency. Tips for success. 1. Keep learning, attend workshops or connect with experienced mushroom growers. 2. Experiment, try different growing techniques to find what works best. 3. Monitor closely, check for signs of contamination or environmental imbalances regularly. Starting a mushroom farming business might seem like a big step, but with the right plan, dedication, and consistent effort, it can become a highly profitable venture. Whether you want to grow mushrooms as a side hustle or scale it into a full-fledged business, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key is to start small, learn as you grow, and keep refining your process. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more practical tips on building your wealth and starting successful businesses. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.